Bandits. So we can start back here, we can start up front.
How did we find them? I think I found them. We're Duane and Deana Floro, the best of us, the Floros. Real original name. And we've been camping for a long time. We've been married 43 years. I don't know how long we've been camping.
Yeah. We don't look that old, do we?
We have 4 kids, 7 grandkids. But recently we've been camping more. In the last, what, 5 or 6 years? We met these guys. They probably don't remember. We were Mohican Wilderness 2 years ago or 3. We met you then. Okay. I didn't know who you were then. Okay. But I started watching on YouTube. And then it went from there. And then we, like I said yesterday, if you were there, we stalked them at Seneca Lake last year. And I recognized their RV.
Friendly stalk.
Tell us who you are and.
Yes, who are you?
Okay, I am Talmadge of the Adventure Bandits, and we are here. What is Seneca?
Yeah. Senecaville, yeah.
Seneca Lake,
here at
beautiful
Seneca.
Yep. And we actually enjoy. Since it started raining, we enjoying our stay. Well, we're about to.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
So what got you into camping?
What got me into camping was these guys, the Adventure Bandits, because of all of Ohio.
Thank you. That is so kind.
Stop me living it up, dancing to the backbeat, turning it up. Nothing gonna stop me living it up, dancing to the backbeat, turning it up.
It is a little slippery up here.
Yeah, you should have.
Yeah, brought up lasso. You never brought up the lasso.
Before we leave
I liked it.
this morning,
It's hard to get one.
when we're done, we're going to have breakfast.